Honeycomb is a fast-growing business. In the next few years, it is going to replace polystyrene. So with our FastGluer, we are able to glue honeycomb within no time in order to manufacture packaging with a mix of honeycomb and corrugated board or honeycomb pulp. Let's have a try. It's extremely simple. We are going to glue these two parts, honeycomb 20mm, on the machine. Let's go. We could glue 10 of these on the machine to save some time. With our FastGluer, we are able to assemble different types of material. In this case, we are going to assemble corrugated plastic with plastic on top in order to manufacture a returnable packaging. Let's have a look. We have been welding within seconds this automotive returnable tray.